Vlogmas Day 4. Santa's little elf is almost ready to light up your holidays. I have no makeup on, so let's have a chat while I am putting on all this mask. When young, everyone loves Christmas, but what happens when we grow up? Well, suddenly we find that we have a lot of things to do but have no time to do them, and this is where it becomes hard. A lot of people say that they hate Christmas. Don't get me wrong, I also feel overwhelmed. I have so many things to do and no time at all. And plus, I also had to make the change of editing program, and now, as I've said in the previous video, I've been editing on DaVinci. This will be the second vlog that I will edit on DaVinci Resolve. To be honest with you, I found DaVinci way better, and this is because of the interface. It is way more comprehensive, it is clear, it is easy to understand. Adobe doesn't have an easy format for new users. The speed was awesome, and also the switching between the tabs was really nice. Nothing better than just clicking and it is already done changing the pages. No one talks during eyeliner. My eyes look weird without the wing. After we open today's house calendar, I've been thinking about making a traditional Greek Christmas dessert called Melomakarona and just enjoy the process. I have a lot of work. Ready for the day. Okay, now we are ready to open our day 4 Christmas calendar house, and it is this one. The card and the treat. Today's card is Christmas movie. What are your favorite Christmas movies? I would like to see it in the comments. Mine, I guess it is Holiday. It is the one that I think that I might see today. I've also watched The Elf last year and some other, I don't know. But I would like to know which one is your favorite. Today is a really busy day, and before I go ahead and relax with the movie, I am going to make some Melomakarona and show you the way that we make them here in Greece. But also I have to do some housework like laundry and cleaning here and there, because we need to stay clean and organized even during Christmas. They are ready, and let me tell you, the whole house smells exactly like Christmas. Enjoy! Now it's movie time! But first, let's make a tea.